Today I am going to harvest these two containers, actually four, but two sets of potatoes. This is a Jamaican white sweet potato, and then I think this is regular sweet potato. So they've been in these pots for, I want to say, at least a good 6 months. And the inside leaves are kind of dying off. I mean, from the outside, you can't really tell. So hopefully I will get something out of them. So I'll start with the Jamaican sweet potato first. All right, so full transparency, this is what I got from the first set of pots, and I messed up. So I know it takes about 3 months, so I doubled the time. I don't know why I didn't take it out. I should have, but I didn't. So now I know for next time I should label it, date it, so I know when to harvest it. I would have had some nice ones. Like these, like barely have any weight to it. And I also found like 3 or 4 that had rotted like in the soil, so they were definitely in there for too long. So let me empty the other sweet potatoes. Okay, so this is from the second set that I emptied, which were the 2 that were right there. So I thought it was regular sweet potatoes, but it was more of the Jamaican white sweet potatoes. These actually have some weight to them, so these are good. But I also did see some, rotted pieces. Like even this was like pretty much rotted out. So lesson learned. So this harvest was mostly ants, tons of ants and disappointment, but it's okay. It's all part of gardening. Happy gardening.